Hey everyone, my name is Zach Drescher and welcome to the Piled High Garage. This is a place where we would like to give you guys some realistic expectations inside of a garage as far as timelines and most importantly, budgets. So we want to work on some really awesome cars, but do it in a way that's feasible to everybody out there in their own garages. In here, my brother William and I, we come here after we get done working our normal job just like everybody else, and we come in and work on our stuff so that we can enjoy them on the weekends. Right now, our current project is my 1965 Galaxie 500. Ultimately, our goal is to get it ready for the Hot Rod Power Tour this year so we can go on that trip with my car and my brother's truck that you'll see some of. Our short-term goal, though, is to get it ready for a local car show that we're going to. That is literally tomorrow. And as you can see, we've got some work to do. So it's gonna be a long night, but we're gonna get this thing put back together and hope you guys will come along with us in that. First step to any video, pizza.
But there's an equation per ring gear plus what you have on your pinion to get what your carrier preload is.
Okay, everything's more fun with friends. 1, 2, 3, friendship!
Why is it so heavy? How do you want to set it?
Yoink.
That one touching.
Yeah. Okay, so now what should this preload be? That's not it.
Total running? I don't know that yet.
Good. Why don't you look that up?
We learn every day
We're always learning.
about how much stuff there is to learn.
Right now we're sitting right at about 20 inch-pounds. So we are what we like to call not professionals. We've learned almost everything we know by the beautiful art known as trial and error. This one, we trialed and we erred. So we took it back out.
It's gone. Okay. So that's got us at 0 backlash.
Hey, you lied. You said when it fell, it fell.
These are bigger jacks.
Eight. That was 8. Okay. 8 is what we wanted.
Because it's a magic number.
2, 3, this sucks. There's so much paint in here.
I'll do it this weekend.
Huh?
You like? Yeah. Fingers.
All right, so we think that we have our preload set on the bearings. Feels good, feels happy. So now we're gonna take some marking compound. We've already marked this once and ran it, but we're gonna try again. So we're gonna,
Don't worry, there's something in here.
give this rear end a new paint job. There we go, that's plenty, that's plenty. Paint up these gears here. Make sure it's all nice and covered. And that way, whenever we spin this thing around, we can see the contact pattern that the pinion is making with the ring gear. And that is going to tell us if it's actually good, or if we just think and hope that it should be and would be one day good. So this stuff is a lot like the silver anti-seize. As soon as you look at it, as soon as you say its name, it's everywhere. You're gonna go home. You watching this video right now, you're gonna go home tonight and it's gonna be on your pillow. You'll find it. Don't know how, but it happens. Okay, so got the compound on there. We're gonna spin this baby around. That paint is going down into our pinion gear right there. Just cross through it. We're gonna run it back and forth a few times like this. Make sure that we really get some good witness marks on it. Okay, now let's bring it back and see what we got. Okay, so I like what I see so far. So what you can see here is, it might be kind of hard to see. I don't know if you can see it on this camera or not, but we've got a contact pattern in the middle here. And this is our drive side, the convex side, you know, the ones that are facing like this way. That is your drive side of the ring gear. And you can see we're hitting right in the middle. We've got some paint left on the exterior, on the outside edge of the gear here, so that's good. Means we got good contact there. Let's look at our coast side, or the concave side. And it's looking pretty good here. We're right in the middle. Again, we've got more surface available on the outside and on the inside. Let me take a look at it, see what you think. I think it looks good. I think it looks better than the last time. Not that we've already done this before. No, wait. What? Not that we didn't already put it together, do smoky burnouts, and then heard howling and said, oh, and then brought it back in here and tore it out again.
Not us. That would never happen. I think it looks good.
Okay. So next step, all we got to do now, we need to torque these caps down. We got to take our pinion back out. We've got an O-ring that we got to slide back in there, and then we'll torque those in, and then we should be ready. Oh, we got to put our locks on. Don't forget the locks. We'll do that, and then we should be able to throw it back in the car. We're gonna go ahead and grab this super light rear diff and throw it in. You ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that was easy. There we go.
Okay.
Yep. Okay.
All right. Burnouts.
No.
Oh, okay.
We got to get at least one bolt and nut. Okay. Now we'll let that set up. And then we'll come back tomorrow. We'll fill it up. Throw a drive shaft in it. Torque the wheels.